If a phone has a lifespan, how long can it be used? This iPhone 14 was brought in by a local beauty for a battery replacement. She said this phone has been used for over 2 years since purchase. It still looks good. It functions smoothly as well. Although the battery health is at 87%, it is still not very durable. The customer initially planned to buy a new phone. However, while scrolling on Douyin, she came across our battery replacement video. The entire repair process amazed her. So, she decided to replace the battery of this phone she intended to replace. She wants to keep it for another 3 to 4 years. The customer also mentioned that aside from the battery, the speaker and earpiece volume are low. She hopes we can help fix that as well. I told her. Her requests are minor issues for us. Next is the entire replacement process. If your iPhone battery is also not lasting, and you are looking to replace it, you can click on the group purchase option in the lower left corner of the video. After placing an order, select the nearest store for the group purchase. It includes battery replacement for iPhones. All series are priced. Our repair standard is meticulous and transparent throughout the process. You can feel secure in your repairs, and you can use your phone with peace of mind. Yes. Aha. You say, hee hee. If you don't speak, she feels lonely.